Hey, this is Hans.
This is Kit.
Here's it.
You're still eating chocolate.
That's because it's a chocolate bake, baby. Ooh. So, good evening. Enjoying some chocolate. I want to bring some serious attention to my lovely wife's new spectacles. She now has spectacles. Right?
Part of getting old.
I like it.
You have a birthday and get old and you get glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But your glasses, like...
They make my eyes look big. It's like they
I know.
magnify my
They
eyes.
do.
And it's so weird.
I love it.
I think it
like-
looks funny.
I don't. You have pretty eyes, so they're bigger. I think that's great.
I think that's silly.
Well, you and those eyes found some chocolate the other day that is going to enthrall and amaze all of you. So bring it on.
I still don't know why I got it.
Oh, because you're awesome. That's why.
But we'll start with the first one here. I went to the gas station, obviously, to get gas. Decided to go in because I don't even remember why I wanted to go in. I got a beverage, I walked down the candy aisle, and I was like, holy crap. I was at Chevron, and so all of their little stations are called ExtraMile.
Are you an ExtraMile Extras Rewards program member?
No, what's that?
And that is how you sign up a new customer for the ExtraMile Extras Rewards program.
So they have their own brand of chocolate.
At least their own
With multiple
private label.
Yeah, with all multiple flavors. So I couldn't help myself because even though I've been to like a bazillion Chevrons, it feels like, I've never seen this before. Look,
It's kosher.
kosher.
What does it say here? Does it say made for Chevron?
Distributed by ExtraMile convenience stores.
Okay.
San Ramon, California.
Okay. So some company's making this. They're not making it the refinery. Does it smell like gas?
It does. It smells like gasoline.
Ooh, yum.
So this one's a dark chocolate mint cookie crunch.
That sounds hella good. They're not going to sell untasty, unwholesome foods at the gas station.
No.
You better believe it.
You should totally go and get their sandwiches and like the sushi and stuff that you find there too.
Your
right?
freaking sushi.
Yeah.
They sell
Gas
sushi.
station sushi.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You've never had gas station sushi?
You're high. There's no such thing. Gas station sushi?
You never know.
You never know.
There's definitely gas station sandwiches and stuff.
Oh, yeah. No, I was always an aficionado of 7-Eleven. Ergo, the Go-Go Taquito, the El Taco.
Leave it on the little thing that's heating it, spinning and spinning, and it's probably been there for 5 days.
We wrote songs about the El Taco.
Who's we?
Dog Juice. The finest band of all time that nobody ever knew about.
Can we eat the chocolate?
Yeah, sure.
I think I got some on my pizza.
Does it say Extra Mile on it?
No.
No. It should just have a Chevron logo on it. Cheers.
It tastes like a candy bar. It's better than I thought it was going to be, given that it was like the gas station brand. It was okay.
I'm getting, that reminds me of like chocolate with munched up Girl Scout Thin Mints in it. And I like that. I'm giving that a 4.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm okay with Thin Mints. They're like not my super favorite, but I'm going to go with 3.5.
All right.
Off to a good start so far, Chevron. Milk chocolate peanut butter center.
Peanut butter, your favorite.
I hate peanut butter.
You.
Except for one kind of peanut butter.
Peanut Butter Company.
Peanut Butter Company, the cinnamon raisin. Larry had some on his desk the other day and I was thinking about stealing it from him.
Well, now he has been immortalized on the chocolate break, so.
He had apples in the kitchen too.
Oh yeah, apples, and that was like the combo, wasn't it?
The only peanut butter that's even worth existing.
All right, well, let's take a look in here. We'll give it a little.
They have that. What the hell is wrong with you? You just demolished it.
Well, that's what I do. Do we have any visual
A
imagery?
little bit in there. Yep.
Is there? Not much.
Because it's not really in the center. It's kind of more like at the
off.
bottom.
Lopsided chocolate here on the chocolate break, ladies and gentlemen. Cheers.
Go.
She hates chocolate. I mean, peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I'm a freaking connoisseur of peanut butter and a heavy user of peanut butter. This reminds me of Palmer's chocolate and their peanut butter bells at Christmas time. 0.
Apologize to the customer, then offer them an appeasement coupon.
See, and I'm going to give it a 2 because I'm not tasting a lot of peanut butter.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
I wouldn't want to eat any more of it.
Apologize to the customer, then offer them an appeasement coupon.
Well, you don't have to.
But, yeah, good. Take it away. Dark chocolate. Raspberry center.
Oh, do it. You may. Do your doing.
Do it. I can't. Oh.
Oh, just rip the crap out of it. It's gone the extra mile. It's not going to help you out anymore. It's tired.
Oh, it's got a little gash out of it. You can see the raspberry.
Uh-oh.
Apologize to the customer, then offer them an appeasement coupon.
That's where the animal is. Something burrowed into the bar. Wouldn't that be insane if something came out of that hole?
Like what?
Like a wasp. But maybe it just went down this way and this way and went in all the other ones. Maybe we'll have a little flavor. Cheers. That's that con artist raspberry crap. I was like, oh yeah, it's raspberry. You could put that in something and say it was boysenberry, and people are like, oh yeah, boysenberry. Put it in something and say it was like Marionberry. Oh.
I kind of like it.
It's not bad.
3.
2.5.
Milk chocolate sweet salted caramel center.
All right, that sounds good.
Yep. Go. You should be more delicate with this one. That way, kind of like the raspberry one.
I should be more delicate with this
all
bar?
over the place. Yeah.
Should not make a mess.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my god. No, you fool. It's because you know it's like I'm one of those people that's super OCD about stuff like that.
I want them
and
to
it's
see
just
the huge amount of gushing caramel in this. It's really not. Yeah. Cheers.
Ooh, the saltiness doesn't get you till like after you're done with it.
Appeasement coupon.
Uh-oh.
Stuck on my tongue.
That makes me think of that Lionel Richie song, Stuck on You. It does.
Okay, I don't know what that song is.
That's horrible. Almost as bad as this crap.
Yeah, that one was my least favorite.
Apologize to the customer.
Even more than the peanut butter.
I like the
dislike
peanut
that
butter
one.
better than
That's what I'm
this.
saying. I dislike this one more than I dislike the peanut butter.
I'll give this 0 stars.
I'm gonna agree with you.
It's just,
That is just not right.
it's like, okay, we're gonna make a bar, we're gonna put can't we do something else? Isn't there something else we can do? No? You have chocolate? Yeah, okay. You have caramel? Yeah. You got some salt, right? Some salt packets? Yeah.
That's literally what it was. It was like, it wasn't that nice salt that you actually are supposed to put in candy.
No, that was not Himalayan pink salt.
Table salt on this sucker.
Yeah.
Call it good.
Hey, see over there on the clearance, we got the salt lamps. Let's go put it in the back in the wood chipper there, and we'll put it in the candy bar. Well, thank you, my love, for bringing this to the table. This is
Absolutely.
absolutely rad stuff. This is the kind of stuff I want to do more of.
Just weird.
Just like, if any of you do a lot of like traveling and you go and spend time like in, say, like the United Airlines lounge or the Delta Airlines holding pen or the
Holding pen.
Eva Airways dungeon, but you're like Royal Laurel class or something, and they hand you
Laurel.
like they give you enjoy your fright.
Yeah.
They give you the little tiny bonus chocolates. I want to do those. I want to do like airplane. Here you go. We're being nice chocolates. Yeah. Or like, do you go to a lot of hotels? Do they put the little mints on your pillows? Send us those mints. If they're chocolate,
If they're chocolate.
we'll do a whole series of like,
Hotel pillow mints.
Yeah, that'd be a fun thing. Yeah. Or where else do they give you those things? There's so many possibilities for us to help the world.
Right. Until next time. Send us your pillow mint.
Just send us your pillows that you drool all over.
That's disgusting.
It is.
Bye.
Bye.